welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how replace the battery on this remote control key from Maserati. We're gonna use two different tools to do this. Is this and this. Okay, the first thing we have to do is this button over here. You have to press to remove the hard key from the remote control. Press over here and the key is coming out. The second thing is remove the screw over here. Okay, we'll remove it, and we can use this to separate both edges. Aluminum, this one, just be careful. This is the first, this one is the second. From here, see, this is the second. Use the same thing. We have to separate the two plastic like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay. Just be careful. Now we separate the two plastic part, and we have to remove another screw over here. We remove the motherboard. Alright, this is the battery. Don't forget, use the same battery number. It's CR2032. Okay, this is the new battery. It's the same number. So this side is the positive. Just to put it down like this. We'll put it back. The motherboard or board, whatever you want to. Like this. Put the screw back. Okay. Put it back. One, two. So don't forget just to put it back and the screw over here. And here we go. Alright, we changed the battery on Maserati remote control key. Please subscribe to my channels for more videos. Thank you for watching.